So let's learn about ints in this video. The first type of data we will store is the whole number. Whole numbers are very common in programming. You often see them used in to store ages or maximum sizes or the number of times someone's code has been run, among many other cases. In Java, whole numbers are stored in the int primitive data type. So ints hold positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. They do not store fractions or numbers with decimals in them. The int data type allows values between negative 2 billion plus and positive 2 billion. So I don't recommend memorizing this exact number. You will almost never have to deal with this. So what I do recommend is just keeping in mind that ints can only hold a maximum of 2 million. So if you have, let's say, like or 2 billion, my bad, and if you have a number that's 5 billion, then this would not hold. To declare a type of int, we use the int keyword before each variable name. So int year Java was created, and then you can combine the two. So you can put int in front of here and do this, and just delete this line. So declaration and an assignment can be done on the same line. So the file count comment.java has a number of comments in it. In your head, count the number of comments, then inside the main method, declare a variable called num_comments that holds how many comments you counted. So let's count how many comments there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 comments, right? So let's define. So int num_comments, and then we said there were 6 of these, and then let's run it. Perfect. And then we print out num_comments. So we'll do system.out.println, and then just print out num_comments here. Alright, and that works. And now we're going to learn about doubles. So doubles are whole numbers. So whole numbers don't really accomplish what we need for every program. What if we wanted to store the price of something? We need a decimal point. What if we wanted to store the world's population? That number could be larger than the int type can hold. So doubles can hold decimals and also a lot larger numbers. And the double primitive type can help. So double can hold decimals as very large numbers or very small numbers. And then I don't recommend memorizing this either. Probably never use this. If you do come across a case you use it, you can just simply Google it. And then the minimum value is this, which is actually 327 decimal places, which is very small. And to declare a variable of type double, pretty much the same thing, except you put a double and now you can fit a bigger number as well as a decimal. So as of 2016, Android has 81.7% of the market share for mobile operating systems. Create a variable called Android share that holds this percentage as a double. So we'll simply create a double here, and we can't use an int since 81%, 81.7% is indeed a percentage, which is a decimal number. So Android share equals 81.7, and then we print it out. Let's see. Yeah, let's print it out. Dot print line and Android share. If we run it, this should work, and yes. Now, booleans. So often our programs face questions that can only be answered with yes or no. Is the oven on? Is the light green? Did I eat breakfast? These questions are answered with a boolean, a type that references one of two values, true or false. We declare boolean variables by using the keyword boolean before the variable name. In future lessons, we'll also see how boolean values help navigate decisions in our programs. So create a variable called ints can hold decimals. Set it to true. If the type int can hold a decimal, set it to false. If the int cannot do this. Okay. So first we'll create a boolean. Ints can hold decimals, and I want you to pause the video and think, can an int variable type hold a decimal? And then unpause the video, and then now you're here. So ints can only hold whole numbers, no decimals. That is what doubles can do. So we're going to set it to false. And then we're going to simply just print it out here. Let me run this. Ignore the error here. I am simply running it to get the check mark here and then doing this afterwards. So then we have print line ints can hold decimals, and boom. And then in the next video I'll be going over cars or chars, however you pronounce it. But until then, have a great day. And if you did find this video somewhat helpful, I do recommend liking it and then subscribe if you want to see more. And then I also want to emphasize that you should be coding along with me. So pause the video, type out everything that's on the screen, do it with me. You'll definitely learn more that way. That's what I've learned and found. But yeah, until then, have a great day.